Hi everyone, I want to take you on an amazing lean journey to Northern Ireland to a company called Seating Matters. It has about 50 or 60 employees and they're changing the world of healthcare seating. Now, this is a family-run company. Three brothers started it and they're absolutely incredible. They asked me to come there to speak to them and inspire their organization, but the truth of the matter is they inspired me, and hopefully this will inspire you. I'm at Seating Matters, and you are going to see the most incredible tour you've ever seen in your life. Buckle up, because they make awesome chairs that are going to help your elderly parents and your loved ones. Let's go. So a quick overview, you walk in the front door and Michelle's in there in accounting and she's just so happy. And these are the chairs that they make and they're just incredible. I know firsthand because my mother has one. They made one for my mother and shipped it all the way to Southern California. Their facility is spotless. Everything is organized at the highest level. Everything is visually appealing, including natural light flooding into the facility. Great color coding on all the different frames that they make. Their kitchen and break area is beautiful and very pleasant. You go over to the wood CNC area, everything is perfectly clean. There's no clouds of dust anywhere. There's no debris anywhere. Everything has been thought out at the highest level. Now we're gonna go over to the laser cutting area where they have all the frame parts identified again based on color and style. So it's very easy to not make a mistake and produce quality all day long. This is their Trump laser. Everything is sparkling clean over here, well organized. There's no fall off from all the laser cutting. When you go into the welding area where they have all their jigs and fixtures, everything has been so well thought out, but they're constantly making improvements literally every day. Then the powder coating area, every toolbox has been gone through, sweeping, sorting, and standardizing. Now we're over in the assembly area where they're putting the frames together and getting ready to put the upholstery on every one of them. Did you notice all the different disciplines that they're so good at? They do everything here. They do wood, they do metal, they do fabric, they do upholstery, sewing, assembly, welding. They do it all. And then this is over in the sewing area and it's incredible. And yet, as good as this is, they are making improvements all day long. Now, I'm talking not 3 or 4 improvements. I'm talking maybe 20, 30 improvements a day are being made. Ryan, what were you saying about contrast?
Just to give you an idea of contrast, 2.5 years ago before lean, we were cleaning up the factory with snow shovels. There's so much rubbish.
And once a week?
Once a week, yeah.
And now you're 3S'ing every day.
Yeah,
and look at this place.
Person.
Quiet and clean. It reminds me of Lexus, you know? What's their target? Quiet and clean. Now, having traveled to factories all over the world and seen what this kind of work looks like, it is so clean and so quiet. Now, as I was going around, improvements were being made. Sean came up with a great improvement, and he was just showing me. He's got these visual controls on the outside of the bins showing what product is supposed to be inside. This is their charger unit right here. Now, the charger unit is in a box like this. Not very visual, not very easy to know for sure what's in there. So what Sean has done is he took the front of the box, cut it out, and now is going to put this inside and put a clear cover over the top of it, and then attach this to the outside of the box, and we're gonna have total clarity on what's going on. I mean, every part of this company has been touched by lean thinking. The toilets, the bathrooms, they're spectacular. They're flawless, they're clean, and they're maintained at this high level all day long. They have great standardized processes for everything, and that's really how they got here. So I was lucky enough to go to one of their morning meetings, and it was just as incredible as everything else. They did morning stretches, they reviewed principles, they went over their improvements, they talked about the problems. So as improvements have been made, they show the improvements in the morning meeting so everybody's on the same page, Yoka 10. Everybody understands what it is they've done and how they're trying to improve things. It's just a community of people that are really thinking about every detail. And you can see it in these work areas. I mean, have you ever seen work areas this well set up? And here's another amazing thing. They do everything just in time. They're not doing any batch work. They produce those parts as they need them. They used to have tons of inventory, and now they don't. They produce only what they need when they need them. It's just spectacular to see one piece flow and pull manufacturing. Then the forklifts ridiculous. These are older forklifts. They look brand new, and these are the people's pictures on the back who are responsible for them. Notice the standardization of the safety vests that are worn when you drive the forklifts for visibility and the people that were responsible for taking care of it. Then I walked into one of the bathrooms and Chris was mopping it in the middle of the day. I said, "What are you doing, Chris?" He said, "Oh, I noticed it was a little dirty, so I'm just cleaning up." That's the way they think. That level of respect for one another. Everywhere you go in Seating Matters, there is a deep respect for people and for resources, and it's obvious. So as I'm over here in the powder coating area with Ryan and Martin, they show me there's a QR code on the side of the machine, and they scan it with their phone. It automatically brings up a YouTube video that tells you exactly the process for turning on the machine and performing the process. So they are using QR codes throughout their facility that are easily accessed on an iPhone, an iPad, or whatever they want. Then everything's color coded by the days of production, blue, green, purple. And then when you look at the carts, it actually shows the production day that you're working on and the order in which you're producing the chairs. So again, the visualization at this plant is crazy, crazy good. Now let's take a little more close-up look at the powder coating. First of all, have you ever seen a powder coating place that looks this clean? I mean, this is a very messy process, but they've removed all the waste, all the mess, all the cleanup out of it because they were really thoughtful about the way they do it every day. So all the tools obviously are laid out perfectly. And then when they're spraying, they're making sure there's no overspray getting anywhere else out into the rest of the facility. Now they're showing me all the improvements. They have a chat, a WhatsApp chat. Everybody in the company's on it, and they're making hundreds, thousands of improvements on a regular basis. So I'm on this chat and I see 30 or 40 improvements a day coming over. It's really incredible. Total participation. Not everybody's operating at exactly the same level. There's always enthusiasts that are going to do more and some people that do less, but everybody is engaged at this company with lean thinking. The people who have been there a long time love it. The people who've been there just a short period of time love it. And it's just an amazing thing to see this level of adoption, and it's because of great leadership. Hey, Paul Akers, hopefully you enjoyed this amazing tour of Seating Matters. They are over the top, just incredible. But I asked them if they could do one thing for me, and I asked them to make me a custom business class mattress. So check this out. When I fly business class across the pond, if you will, I don't think the mattresses are very comfortable or the seats are very comfortable. So I had to make me a custom mini Tempur-Pedic mattress that I can lay down on my seat. I have my very own custom mattress for sleeping when I come to Ireland. Oh gosh, I just cracked that glass. As you can see, I had a great time with the team at Seating Matters. These people are over the top, off the charts, lean maniacs. Best of all, they're changing people's lives, and this is why I love lean.